Hi everyone, it's Jared with HeatPress Nation, and I'll be covering 3 reasons why MPress heat press machines are a perfect choice for anyone starting their venture into customization. If you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from HeatPress Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. As you consider what's the best heat press to start with for your hobby or business, there's no need to feel left out of higher-end machines from a limited budget. While MPress heat presses are technically HPN's entry-level offerings, these machines are more powerful and reliable than they seem compared to other budget-friendly options. Let's go over 3 key reasons why MPress heat presses are worthwhile to own as starting machines. One notable reason is of course the affordability of every MPress heat press. When stumbling upon similar, more generic machines outside of HPN, you may also find that they have little to no reviews that really leave them in a gray area of reliability. And more often than not, when they are reviewed, those customers usually don't leave the highest regards, with some even reporting how their machine managed to break over time, alongside being left with poor customer support in return. At HeatPress Nation, every machine from us is produced to be as robust as possible while staying attainable for certain business levels. MPress is not left out in this regard, meaning that every machine under this label is built with powerful internal and external components similar to those found in our higher-end machines like the Black Series and Signature Series. With this in mind, the performance of MPress machines will be more than enough to work with such purposes from apparel customization to sublimating hard flat items. In addition, every MPress heat press will be backed with 1-year MyExpert warranty and lifetime technical support with our MyExpert representatives ready to assist you in getting the most out of your machine as soon as possible. Another reason to own an MPress heat press is their simplicity in operation and general purpose. All it takes to use an MPress machine is to adjust it to what's needed for your item, which you can then press as soon as your machine reaches temperature. To help keep this process simple, every MPress machine comes with a standard digital time and temperature gauge that allows you to pinpoint how long you need to press your item in seconds and how hot the heating element should be to press in either Fahrenheit or Celsius degrees. After setting those, you'll only need to have your pressure adjusted accordingly and perform a test press before customizing your item. If you're not looking to dive into other forms of customization beyond flat items soon, or 11 and 15 ounce mugs with the MPress mug press, you can look no further than MPress machines. With no extra bells or whistles, their basic purpose bodes very well in serving as easy to use machines that are sure to get the job done. The last, and certainly not least, reason for owning an MPress heat press are their highly compact options available, alongside standing out as generally lightweight machines. If you need a machine that's sure to fit well in an extremely limited workspace, the MPress has a 9x12-inch swing-away machine that's ready for smaller items and heat transfers. Though if you already have a machine and don't have the ability to press 11 and 15 ounce mugs, the MPress mug press is a worthy option that's also compact enough for small spaces. The small nature of these machines, of course, lends itself to being lightweight and portable enough to take around to different workspaces. Yet, even the larger MPress clamshell heat presses ranging from 15 by 15 inches to 16 by 24 inches tend to be lighter compared to other machines. While we still recommend having another person around to spot you when carrying these heat presses around, just know that a 15 by 15 inch MPress is nearly half the weight of a Signature Series heat press of the same size. With these 3 reasons in mind, MPress heat presses clearly go beyond many similar entry-level offerings. Every machine is built to perform its main purpose of pressing flat items or sublimation mugs to a T, while also being built with close attention and extra care similar to HPN's higher-end options. To learn more about MPress machines, be sure to visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can get in contact with one of our friendly MyExpert representatives at heat.press/support. Once again, I'm Jared with HeatPress Nation, and thanks for watching.